What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the day has come to sell these wheels and tires off the truck that are on here right now. I'm just kind of sick of them. They're not my favorite style wheel, so I've had them for sale and somebody wants to come pick them up, so I'm going to rip those off. We're going to get the stocks back on, and then I'm not sure how long it's going to take to get my new wheels in. The place I was going to order from said they're not taking orders for like a week or maybe even longer because of all this coronavirus crap going around. So we will see what I can find, if I can order anything right away. But for now, let's get these things off and see if we can get rid of them. Cold start for the boys. Well, guys, look what showed up after 5 weeks. Let's open these things up, check them out, see what we got. Alright guys, here's a little sneak peek of what it's going to look like. So this video is a little bit different. Like I said, it's been about 5 weeks since I ordered those and since I filmed the previous clips. And I'm not going to put these on right now. We are at the point in this build, motor is out still. We're still waiting for parts for the motor. So I'm going to leave the stock wheels on it for now because it's just so much easier to work on. It's lower and it's just a lot easier to work on. So we're going to pick this back up when we get this truck back on the road and running. Then we'll throw these bad boys on and we'll finish out this video then. The day has come, guys. We got to throw the new wheels and tires onto the truck now that it's complete and running. So let's jack this thing up, get those wheels on, see how they fit, and see how they look. There she is, boys, all done up. This thing is a lot bigger than I remembered it with 35s. But looking good, fitting good. Let's bring her outside, maybe bring it down the road a little bit. See how it looks outside. Alright, there it is, guys. Wheels and tires are on the truck, looking good. Riding good, actually, too. They drive really nice. Actually better than the old Toyos I had on here. Yeah, the Toyos were, I don't know, 50%, maybe better. These are brand new. They're probably going to ride better, but they actually drive really nice and quiet. So, pretty happy about that. And really like the look of these wheels. So, glad we went with these ones. So, I keep getting questions on what else we got to do to this truck and what we're building next. So as far as this truck goes, there's a few things we got to fix. I noticed my oil pan leaking and not sure why. It's all OEM sealant I used. Did it just as the Bentley manual states, and it's leaking out of the front a little bit. Not much, it's just barely dripping down the front. So we got to tear that pan off, fix that leak. I also have a glow plug check engine light. I'm not sure why either. It was never on before we built the motor, so we got to test the glow plugs, see what's going on there. And a couple other things we got to do to the truck. I want to get window tint. That is on the list. I actually have a gift card for window tint, so I'm not going to do it myself. I'm just going to drop it off, have it done, since I already have a gift card. Might as well use it. And a couple other cool parts coming. I'm not going to tell you guys quite yet what they are, but a few other things we got to do to the truck. As far as future builds, I have some ideas. I'm looking for a truck, but kind of having a hard time finding one. There's not a whole lot for sale right now. I don't know if it has to do with this COVID or what, but I buy and sell a lot of things, and it seems like the market is just really slow right now, so not having good luck finding a truck. But I kind of want to know what you guys want me to build. Though, like I said, it's wide open right now. I haven't bought anything, so it's wide open. I could build anything. Open to you guys' opinions. I'll definitely take it into consideration. So throw a comment down below on what you want to see me build. So that wraps up this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.